Doesn't fit. Yeah, this is the one that came from the gallery in Steubenville. It was dirty. The original plug was cut on it. And when the janitor who gave it to me wired up a temporary plug, plugged it in, it sparked. There was something wrong with the motor. The brush roll was replaced. This cord is obviously a replacement. The motor's original. I think the bearings were serviced. But this is a great machine, and I do find it rare how it was at a business that's still open. Because many people use sanitaires these days, use sanitaires or Bissell Big Greens for their vacs. They now use a Shark Rocket and a Dyson at the place where this thing came from. It's a great machine. I like it.